Hey there, welcome to another video of GTK Forex Beginner's Guide. This topic is about market sentiment. What is a market sentiment? Imagine walking into a room full of traders. Some are confident, some are panicking, some are unsure, just staring at their screens. That overall vibe in the room, that's market sentiment, the mood of the market. Market sentiment is overall feeling or emotions of traders and investors toward a specific asset or the market as a whole. If most traders feel confident, the market is said to be bullish. They expect prices to go up. If most feels negative, it's bearish. They expect the prices to fall. It's not about the charts or the news, it's about how people react to them. Why does it matter? Because the market is driven by people and people are emotional. Even the best technical setup can fail if the market sentiment shifts. That sentiment is action. Example, you're in a uptrend for gold, but suddenly global tensions rise, people panic, rush to buy gold as a safe haven and price skyrockets faster than any indicator could predict. How to measure market sentiment? You can't see it, but you can feel it through clues. News headlines. If the news is mostly negative, sentiment is probably bearish. Economic reports. Bad data, good data, confidence. Price action. Strong bullish candle, probably bullish sentiment. Social media and forums. What are people saying on Twitter, Telegram? We can call Twitter an X right nowadays, but that's what social media predicts. Sentiment indicators, tools like Fear and Greed Index or COT reports, these are the ones which help you understand and measure market sentiment. Can you trade with it? Yes. And smart traders often do. Trend trades ride the wave of strong sentiment. Contrarian traders go against the crowd when they feel the market is too emotional. Example, too greedy or too fearful. The key, understand the emotions but don't trade emotionally. Final thoughts. Market sentiment is like the wind behind a sail. You can't control it, but if you know which way it's blowing, you can steer it in the right direction. So what's next for you to trade? Ask yourself, what's the market feeling right now? Because price is logic, but sentiments, what's the heart of the market? That was all about it, guys. I hope this video made sense. I'll see you all in the next video with more information.